Team Corally just announced the Shiroi. This is going to be an 8-scale short course truck that they're going to offer as a ready-to-run vehicle, and then also as a roller as well, which is going to be great. I'm glad they're entering the short course market. In today's video, we're going to take a close look at this vehicle. I'm taking a look at this new Team Corally Shiroi. Now, this comes either as a roller or in a ready-to-run version. Now, regardless whether you get the ready-to-run or the roller, they do come in 3 different body colors. Scrolling down a little bit here, you guys can see what this looks like. They did a good job with the detail on this. Now, from what I'm seeing, this is possibly designed on the Kagama chassis. You guys see here, it does have that heavy duty shocks. I've never had any problem with Team Corally shocks at all. It says it has 5mm shock towers front and rear, so those are going to be pretty thick. They ain't got to worry about bending those, but most short course trucks are pretty durable, so you don't have to worry about it. And here's going to be the 3 different colors it comes with. It's going to be this blue color, red color, or green color. So you guys know if I get one of these, it's probably going to be red or blue. And they got a couple of new features on it. Of course, they got a new front bumper you guys see there, which they would need for a short course truck, and then also a rear bumper there too. So if this is the size of the Kagama, this is going to be a pretty large scale short course truck, which is what I think Team Corally needs. They need a larger scale vehicle. I don't think it's going to be as large as the Mojave 7 scale 6S, but we'll see how this holds up in the size comparisons between the two. And then looking at the layout of the chassis, of course, it has the tower-to-tower brace up in there. This is a look at the ready-to-run version. And I'm glad they're offering kind of a roller or a ready-to-run version, because some people just want to put their own electronics in it. But Team Corally's got pretty good electronics. You see there, it does have a laser edge chassis underneath it there. And this is 3mm thick. With that. Adjustable body mount, so of course you're not just stuck to one body. I'm glad they didn't do like a clipless body on this, because some people actually want to change the body and stuff out. Bulletproof hinge pins on here. These are going to be aluminum front and rear, which is good. So like it's going to be a pretty solid truck, and I'm anticipating the speeds to be over 50, probably about 55 miles per hour straight out the box. It may be faster because Team Corally stuff is pretty fast out the box. And I did hear that this does have spiral cut differential gears, even though that looks straight cut. So that's probably labeled somewhere in here. So no adjustable turnbuckles, and the steering links, but that should be fine with it. Center diff, now this is a 52 tooth, I think is what they include in all their kits here. Adjustable motor mount, yes, it's not fixed length. So here's a look at the motor mount. I'm glad this is not anything that's fixed length or anything like that. Hopefully this is designed a little bit better to get to be able to change out, you know, pinion gears and stuff like that, because sometimes it can be a lot to take apart a Team Corally vehicle. So it doesn't seem to be that complicated. You just take off this top brace there, and then it's got a little guard there over the motor to remove that too. So this is heavy duty double-decker 3mm 775 aluminum steering plates, which is good. We know they fixed their steering block issue years and years ago. And for those of you guys wanting to know the battery tray size, there you go right there. And of course, they got some new tires and stuff for it. So I'll put a link down below in the description. You guys let me know what you think about this. I think this is going to be a winner. I didn't see the price on it. I think this is probably, let's see real quick. So the ready to run 689 is probably about $750 or something US, and that means the roller is probably going to be about $500. Yeah, so the roller is probably going to be a little bit over $500 US. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. I think they do have a winner here with this. It's available now, so that's a good thing that we don't have to wait and put pre-orders in and wait a week or two or a little bit longer to get the vehicle in. So you guys don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you watching.